Prime Minister Modi, who's currently in Bhopal on the occasion of Janjatiya Gaurav Divas. In fact, the Prime Minister attending an event on the occasion of the birth anniversary of tribal freedom fighter Birsa Munda. Modi will also inaugurate newly revamped Rani Kamlapati railway station, which was very recently changed. The name was changed from Habibganj railway station to Rani Kamlapati railway station. Here's Prime Minister Narendra Modi right there in Bhopal as he inaugurates the newly revamped Rani Kamlapati railway station. And this also, Prime Minister Modi, on the occasion of Janjatiya Gaurav Divas, he attends this event on the birth anniversary of tribal freedom fighter Birsa Munda. Here's Prime Minister Modi inaugurating the newly revamped Rani Kamlapati railway station, which will now feature modern airport-like world-class amenities. Ahead of Prime Minister's event, in fact, Madhya Pradesh government had renamed Habibganj railway station to Rani Kamlapati railway station. Now, this Prime Minister's visit is part of the government's tribal outreach in Madhya Pradesh, which really constitutes to about 21% of the state's population there. Prime Minister has also addressed a virtual tribal outreach program ahead of his visit. The Prime Minister will be launching key initiatives focusing around tribal communities in Madhya Pradesh. Prime Minister is also to launch Ration Aapke Gram, a scheme, and Madhya Pradesh Sickle Cell Mission, along with launching at least 50 Eklavya model residential schools across the nation as part of its tribal outreach.
एक कलाकार को और क्या चाहिए? प्रधानमंत्री वैसे भी कलाकारों को, वैसे भी विशिष्ट व्यक्तित्वों को या प्रयास करने वाले व्यक्तियों को कभी भी सम्मान देने में कमी नहीं रखते हैं.
Yes, Prime Minister Narendra Modi there, who is currently in Bhopal on the occasion of Janjatiya Gaurav Divas. He's attending this event on the occasion of the birth anniversary of tribal freedom fighter Birsa Munda. Prime Minister Modi will also be inaugurating this newly revamped Rani Kamlapati railway station, which will be now featuring modern airport-like world-class amenities. Remember, ahead of Prime Minister's event, Madhya Pradesh government had already renamed Habibganj railway station to Rani Kamlapati railway station. Let me quickly cut across to Heminder joining us live for more on that. Heminder, momentous day for the tribal community as you have the Prime Minister, first of all, visiting the areas, a big tribal outreach. It is what we see here as the Prime Minister visits the Rani Kamlapati railway station. It was recently changed. The name was changed from Habibganj railway station to Rani Kamlapati railway station, a glorious tribal leader. In fact, many more initiatives that's now going to be rolled out on the occasion of tribal freedom fighter Birsa Munda's birth anniversary. What's to be expected as a rollout for the tribal community here today?
Well, as you said, it's a big push from the BJP, big tribal push. And on the birth anniversary of Bhagwan Birsa Munda, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has just landed in Bhopal. He's talking to a tribal freedom fighter right now, and is also going to inaugurate the newly world-class infrastructure that has been created at a railway station that was previously known as Habibganj railway station. It has been renamed as Rani Kamlapati railway station in Bhopal. Again, a gone tribal queen of Bhopal. So, major push by the BJP, particularly after the victory in Jobat in Jhabua in the recent by-polls. Prime Minister Modi scheduled to stay in Bhopal for at least 3.5 hours, where he's going to address a huge gathering. Around 2 lakh people have been mobilized by the BJP from across the state, and thereafter he's going to visit the Habibganj railway station, which has now been named as Rani Kamlapati railway station, and there he's going to inaugurate the latest infrastructure that has been created and developed, and thereafter he's going to leave back to Delhi.
We know that Prime Minister Narendra Modi now to launch Ration Aapke Gram scheme. He's also set to launch the Sickle Cell Mission. This is a huge outreach that Prime Minister Modi is carrying out when it comes to the tribal community. In Madhya Pradesh currently, we're looking at least 21% of the tribal population, which constitutes to a very concisive vote bank. Here we're looking at Prime Minister Modi, of course, on the birth anniversary of a very famous tribal leader who is now in Bhopal overseeing a series of launch projects to boost the tribal community's prospects across the country today. Now, after Uttar Pradesh, name game politics in Madhya Pradesh is Bhopal's Habibganj railway station will now be called Rani Kamalpati railway station. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be inaugurating this revamped railway station, which now features modern airport-like amenities.
It is the new landmark of Bhopal. The city's renowned Habibganj station will now be known as Rani Kamlapati station, shedding its earlier look for a spanking new state-of-the-art railway hub. The name-changing exercise at the behest of the MP government comes after a mega revamp by railway authorities.
नाम जो है पूरी तरीके से बदल दिया गया है और रेलवे स्टेशन पर हबीबगंज जो शब्द थे उसे पूरी तरीके से हटा दिया गया है और रेलवे स्टेशन की इमारतों पर जो पुराना नाम था उसे हटा करके, क्योंकि प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी को आकर के यहाँ पे उद्घाटन करना है, इसीलिए जल्दबाजी में ही चाहिए, लेकिन रानी कमलापति रेलवे स्टेशन के पोस्टर जो हैं वो लगा दिए गए हैं।
Renamed after the tribal queen Rani Kamlapati, who belonged to the Gond community. The tribal community comprises the largest tribal group of India with more than 1.2 crore population. Chief Minister Shivraj Chauhan called her the last Hindu queen of Bhopal.
मैं भारत के प्रधानमंत्री श्रीमान नरेंद्र मोदी जी को हृदय से धन्यवाद देता हूं। मध्य प्रदेश की 8.5 करोड़ जनता की ओर से, हमारे जनजातीय आदिवासी समाज की ओर से रानी कमलापति गोंड समाज का गौरव थी, अंतिम हिंदू रानी थी।
The revamped station on inauguration will become India's first world-class railway station with airport-like amenities, boasting food courts, restaurants, air-conditioned waiting rooms, dormitories and a VIP lounge. Adorned by modern escalators, lifts and 160 CCTV cameras. The new look railway station is built at a cost of around 450 crore rupees. The news was reason to cheer for some locals and BJP workers who celebrated at the Bhopal party office.
आज पूरे मध्य प्रदेश में और भोपाल के अंदर जिस प्रकार से उत्साह लोगों में नजर आया है, क्योंकि सामान्य घटना नहीं है, इस भोपाल को पहचान देने का काम भारतीय जनता पार्टी के हमारे आदरणीय मुख्यमंत्री जी ने, माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने जो दी है, इसके लिए हम सब कार्यकर्ता तो उत्साहित हैं ही, संपूर्ण मध्य प्रदेश के अंदर भी लोग इसको लेकर के हर्षित हैं।
The Congress had earlier accused the BJP of pursuing a misplaced saffron agenda like promoting cow and gaumutra.
देखिए, गौ और गौमूत्र का अपना उपयोग है, पर उससे अपने प्रदेश की अर्थव्यवस्था थोड़ी ना सुधर सकती है। अपने प्रदेश की अर्थव्यवस्था सुधरेगी जब निवेश आएगा, जब यहाँ आर्थिक गतिविधि बनेगी और उसकी हमें नीतियाँ बनानी है, एक विश्वास पैदा करना है। इस प्रकार के बयानों से अपने प्रदेश में किसी का विश्वास नहीं बनेगा।
Samajwadi Party Chief Akhilesh Yadav said BJP only changes names.
मुख्यमंत्री जी को नाम ही बदलना आता है, रंग बदलना आता है। जो लोग नाम और रंग बदल रहे हैं, जनता इतना वोट डालेगी, सरकार बदल देगी।
The renaming of Habibganj railway station comes amid renaming of several other railway stations in recent times. In 2021 alone, 2 railway stations have been renamed in the state of Uttar Pradesh. Madwadi railway station was renamed as Banaras railway station, whereas the name of Faizabad railway station was changed to Ayodhya Can. Earlier, Allahabad station was renamed as Prayagraj and Mughal Sarai was renamed as Deen Dayal Upadhyay Junction. With Ravesh Pal Singh in Bhopal, Bureau Report, India Today.
All right, we're going to cut back to Prime Minister Modi, who's currently in Bhopal, a huge tribal outreach. Prime Minister to be speaking to an audience in just moments from now. But we're looking at extensive launches that have already been planned out as part of the tribal outreach. In fact, the Modi government has come out with a slew of measures to try and uplift the tribal community at a time like this. 21% of tribal population in Madhya Pradesh now being appeased. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who is currently in Bhopal on the occasion of Janjatiya Gaurav Divas, has now rolled out multiple schemes for the upliftment of the tribal communities. In fact, we're looking at a tribal outreach program which consists of several key initiatives focusing around tribal communities, where the Prime Minister is all set to launch Ration Aapke Gram scheme, Madhya Pradesh Sickle Cell Mission, along with launching at least 50 Eklavya model residential schools across the nation as part of their tribal outreach. Hemendra joining us on the phone line to give us more insights into what he sees there. Hemendra, Prime Minister Narendra Modi in Bhopal, what's the crowd like? We see Prime Minister in the tribal fineries. He is in fact holding the archer. He's wearing the tribal hat. Do take us through what you see there as Prime Minister right now, all set to launch a series of initiatives to uplift the tribal community.
So yes, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has reached the main venue for the event today, that is the Jammu, and the state government party in Madhya Pradesh. They have claimed that around 2 lakh people, tribals, have been mobilized from across the state. Jammu has been gifted with the traditional tribal dress, a yellow jacket and a headgear which has got some flowers attached to it. The Chief Minister is also there on the stage along with Union Ministers Narendra Singh Tobar and Jyotiraditya Scindia. Besides them, the State Governor is also there on the stage. Also, we have Prahlad Patel, Union Minister, on the stage, and Ministers in the Shivraj Singh Chauhan Cabinet, Bisahu Lal and Vijay Shah, who represent the tribal community over here on the stage. The Prime Minister a mega event which they have called Janjatiya Gaurav Divas, pride, the day of pride for the tribals on the birth occasion of Bhagwan Birsa Munda. So after this, the Prime Minister is going to go to Barkutullah Vishwavidyalaya, the Barkutullah University. From there, he's going to drive down to the formerly Habibganj railway station, which Rani Kamlapati railway station. There, that is going to be the Prime Minister is going to inaugurate the railway station, and thereafter he's going to go back to Delhi.
The Prime Minister is already all set to speak on stage. We're waiting for him to begin. In the meanwhile, I'd like to ask you there, Hemendra, what's the popularity index when it comes to Prime Minister Modi among the tribal community?
Well, the Prime Minister, the tribals in Madhya Pradesh and also in Chhattisgarh, they had been siding with the Bharatiya Janata Party for a long, long time. And in 2018 elections, the elections that were held in 2018, people votes shifted towards the Congress Party, and that was the major concern for the Bharatiya Janata Party. But they have now got a renewed push. Now they realize that the tribals are once again coming back to their side, and this they have realized from the results that have come in Jobers in Jhabua, where a BJP candidate beat the Congress candidate. So taking cue from there, the Prime Minister in fact has been presented a from that has been brought from Jobers. So there is some significance attached to it, and now the BJP is hoping that the tribals who are once part of BJP or were siding with the BJP, they would be successful in getting them back. So this is what the party side to once again get the tribals back to their fold.
All right, Hemendra, do stay with us. We're going to continue tracking these details. Prime Minister Modi all set to speak on a stage before the tribal community in Madhya Pradesh. He's currently in Bhopal. He's already inaugurated the railway station in Bhopal, which earlier was called Habibganj Railway Station. Now it's changed to Rani Kamlapati Railway Station, a big tribal community leader, after which the railway station has now been named. Huge upliftment for the tribal community that's been planned out by the BJP, trying to push for a series of initiatives that will be announced in the due course of today. In Bhopal, we're looking at a huge tribal population who's gathered only to listen to the Prime Minister speak in moments from now. We're going to continue tracking this. Stay with us.
हम हिस्सा हैं और गौरव हम सबका है ये।